Hello guys, and welcome to the lesson about perimeter and area of triangles. Now, as I'm sure you remember from previous lessons, an object's perimeter is the distance around that object. So in the case of a triangle, it's going to be the sum of all three sides, okay? As opposed to area, which measures the space inside an object. So in the case of triangles, it would look like this, the space inside, okay? I'm going to give you two examples for each. It's a simple, quick lesson. For perimeter, let's say this length is 2, this length is 3, this length is 4. Yeah? Guess what? If you want to find the perimeter, you add them together. 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 9. We're done. Second example. Let's say I give you another triangle that's 3. No, let's make it harder for you guys. Let's say 7, 7, 7, right? Well, if I want to find the perimeter, I do 7 plus 7 plus 7. What does that give me? 21. Done. I just found my perimeter for both of these shapes. Now, as you can see, that was incredibly easy. I expect every single one of you to get this correct. Next one, however, would be area. Now, to find the area of a triangle, we do have something of a special formula. It's area equals base times height, okay? And just clarifying in case it wasn't obvious, the base of a triangle is the bottom. You can remember that because base and bottom they both start with the same letter. And the height is obviously the distance measuring straight up. Okay? So I'm going to leave that diagram up there for you, even though I kind of mucked about with height there, but still. So let's take the exact same triangles that I have in blue over here on the left, and let's try and find their area. So let's say that for my first triangle, I have 2, 3, 4. Oh well, the 2 and the 3 don't really matter. But let's say, for example, I told you that was 2, that was 3, and then this line going straight up, let's say that that's 4. Okay? First thing, sometimes they give you too much information. The only thing you need to find the area of this triangle is its base and its height. That's it. The 2 and the 3 are completely useless to you. You can erase those. They don't matter. Now, we have a base and a height. Let's go ahead and let's try and solve, okay? We have the formula, once again, was area equals base times height. Oh, I'm so sorry. Base times height divided by 2. Divided by 2. Sorry, guys. This is what happens when Mr. Pearson tries to make a lesson without coffee. I repeat, the formula for area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Okay? Anyway, so we have a base of 4, so area equals 4. Then we have a height of 4, okay, divided by 2. Area equals 4 times 4 is 16, divided by 2. Okay, 16 divided by 2 is 8. Boom, you just found the area of this triangle, okay? If you need to pause the video to write this down in your notes, by all means, right now I'm going to move ahead and we're going to do the second example, okay? The second example, let's say I give you this one, 7, 7, 7, and then I give you a measurement inside height of 8. Once again, just like the previous example, the only things that you need to worry about when you're trying to find the area of a triangle are its base and its height. The sides don't matter, okay? So let's just focus on the base and the height. I'm going to cross out the other sides. They're irrelevant to me. I'm going to write out my formula again. Area equals base times height divided by 2. Area equals base, which is 7, times height, which is 8, divided by 2. All right? 7 times 8 is 56. And then 56 divided by 2 should be 28. Area equals 28. And ladies and gentlemen, that's it. That's how easy it is.